as promised, this week I bring to you a delicious chicken curry. Keep watching. In my last video, I had some beautiful people subscribing to my channel. A huge thank you to you. This encourages me to create more delicious recipes and improve on all my skills along the way. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Saloni. In this channel, I share recipes and dinner ideas for you and your family. So make sure you like this video and subscribe below if you want to see more videos like this one. And don't forget to ring that bell to be notified when my next video goes live. Alright, let's get started on the creamy chicken curry recipe. About curry powder. The Mauritian variety is distinct from Indian curry, but it's identical to the kind used in Trinidad and Tobago. The vibrant yellow of the masala and its flavor are truly heartwarming, no matter the season. I hope you get the chance to try this recipe, and if you enjoy my videos, feel free to explore my dinner ideas playlist. Until next time, this is Saloni signing off. Be happy!